the Becca Volcano Goddess. This is a really pretty palette. I'm going to take Granite, which is just like a mauve color. I'm going to use it as my transition. And I'm just going to do like a little kitteny type of vibe for this, like a little bit bombshell, just easy, sexy, flirty type of thing. And I'm just speeding this up because it just really goes all over the lid. There's nothing to it. Then I'm taking this really pretty shade. It looks really good on my skin tone. I don't know if it would look good on really dark skin because it is a little bit lighter, but it just has pops of like mauve type of glitter, and I like it. I like it a lot. Then I'm going to take this more burgundy shade and I'm going to focus on my outer corner. What I do like about this palette is that it's buildable and you don't need to spray your brush, and I like that the glitter in here isn't overwhelming and it's not super out there. It's just like very tame. Good if you don't want too much glitter. Now you guys are probably wondering why I love this Milk Makeup brow gel, because I have like two brows, but it keeps my brows from getting like clumpy from all the powder and the pencil that I put on. Then I'm going to take Deck of Scarlet, line my eyes, and I love this natural eyelash adhesive with the Salon Pro lashes. It takes 2 seconds for this glue to dry, so it makes life so much easier. So if you struggle with putting on lashes, definitely recommend this. I think you could get it at like Sally's, but it's really good. So it just does the job for you, really. Then I'm going to take a little mascara, and then I'm going to take Born This Way. I feel like I haven't used this in forever. They sent over a restock, and I used it, and I was like, now I remember why I like this so much. It goes on really smooth. It has a good finish. I don't know, it doesn't look cakey. What am I even doing right now? But I'm using this Real Techniques big brush, and I love this brush. It like gives you that airbrush finish, I think. Then I'm just taking a little concealer and putting it underneath my eyes with a sponge and blending it out. And then whatever I have left on my blender from doing my under eyes, I'm just going to pat it around my forehead down into like my nose and my chin. I'm not really contouring, I'm just going easy on it. Then I'm taking the Born This Way powder. This is the first time I've ever used this powder, and I really like it. It's a good banana powder. I'm pretty shocked. I thought it was going to be really thick and heavy. Not bad at all. I'm happy about it, and I just used that remaining powder and just brushed it kind of all over the rest of my face. Then I'm going to use Buxom. This is nothing new because I've been using this forever. This is Maldives in Buxom bronzer. What am I even talking about? But I'm putting it everywhere, really. I'm not doing a big harsh contour. I just want to like warm up my face a little bit. Do you though, if you like strong contour? Then I'm taking the Laura Mercier blush, and I'm a blush girl. I love blush. I honestly will wear blush without any makeup. I think it just brightens up your face a little bit and makes you just look a little younger and like fresh and flirty. I don't know. I'm into it. I change my mind every other day though about things I like and don't like, but I'm into it. Then I'm taking a little more mascara, putting it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to go back into that palette and put a little bit more of that mauve transition underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to line my lips with this Gerard Cosmetics liner, and then I'm going to use Angel Cake to go into the regular lips, and it looks so good together. I think it just really gives you like that bombshell, kittenish type of look. If you're into Jessie James Decker, I feel like it gives you that feel, that vibe, and it makes your lips look really big. So I love this. I love everything that I used. I'm happy about it. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you soon.